I'm coming up to the end of the row 1 of the cloud cowl, and what you can see here is that I've got 2 chain left, and then I'm coming up to the beginning of that first row. So the key thing about this cowl is that we don't stop and join every row. We're actually just going to continue in one big spiral. So I'm going to do my second last single crochet, and then I'm coming up to the last chain that hasn't been crocheted yet. So hook in, yarn over, pull it through that, and yarn over and pull it through both of those. So finished my single crochet. I'm now into effectively starting row 2. Now row 2 and every other row of this cowl is essentially the same. We are going to be working in the back loops of the previous row. So normally when you're crocheting into a single crochet, you'd put your hook through both of the top loops, so across under this little V here. For back loop single crochet, we actually just pick up the one that is furthest away from us. So our work's facing us, we're working into the one not at the front closest to it, but the one at the back of the V. So hook into just that back loop, yarn over, pull it through. I've got 2 on the hook, just like any other single crochet, and yarn over and pull it through both of those. So I'm going to do that in each one of the stitches of this row. So here's my V, put my hook in the back one of V, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over and pull it through again, and I'm going to keep doing that essentially until I run out of yarn. When I get down to about 50 to 60 centimeters, I am going to change stitch just to smooth off the transition from one row to the next. But there's there's a few more rows to go to work through my 150 gram ball, but the rest of the cowl is essentially going around like this. And when I get to the transition to a next row, I just literally keep going. So I'll go from here into here, into here, into here, and just keep going until we get to almost running out of yarn. If you want, you can plan to finish it about here at the beginning of that row, or you can literally finish it anywhere that the yarn takes you.